are pleased to show you the 2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, compass, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, towing package. Come take a test drive today.